warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I would like to say a big thank you all college who have attention the meeting term of the Kirai company. This meeting was held to find out report from all parts of the company, which include first, report from production division represented by Fahmi Fikri Alamsah. Second, report from the marketing division represented by Roy Jihan Maulana. Three, report from the product planning and inventory division presented by Dani Ramdhani. Fourth, report from finance and administration represented by Rika Amelia. Okay, let's go straight into the first report, which is from the product department. I invite you, Fahmi Fikri Alamsah.
Okay, to the leader who has given me the opportunity to submit a production report for this period. Now, I want to show you this graph so about the production report of Kirai Company. On the left of the vertical axis you can all see product produced, while the horizontal of axis show the year during the period starting from in 2021, the total production in 20, in 2020 production amounted to 5. Namely, in 2023, the production decreased by 2000 mohon maaf, to 32,000. But in the following year, in what we can see here is pretty clear that production the report from the production department. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to the head of the production, I invite the marketing department, Roy Jihan Maulana.
Okay, thanks to the leader. Now, I want to show you a graph of the sales report period in our company, which is from 2021 to 2024. We can see on the left the vertical axis shows the number of sales production, which start from the lowest 5,000 to 40,000, while the horizontal axis shows the time for a period of 4 years. The blue bar chart shows online sales, and the orange bar chart shows offline sales. For the detailed explanation of sales in 2021, online sales were seen as many as 25,000 products were sold, while offline sales were below online sales, which were 10,000 products that could be sold. We can see that in the following years, online sales have increased, but not so high, namely as many as 30,000 products that can be sold, as well as offline sales in 2022, an increase of 12,000 products that can be sold. But we can also see that in 2023, online sales have decreased because this year consumers have started to switch back to offline purchase. But offline sales have also increased from the previous year, but the increase is still stable and not too high, namely at 70,000 products that can be sold. In the following year, at the end of the sales period, there was an increase for online sales, which could sell as many as 25,000 products, and offline sales experienced a high increase, namely as many as 30 33,000 products that could be sold. So many reports that I can confirm. Thank you.
Okay. I thank the marketing department for submitting the report. Next, I invite the product planning and inventory control section.
Bilang ini maksudnya. I would like to thank the company. I would like to thank the company leader who have given me time to submit report from the product planning and inventory department for this period. I will show you a graph about the report from the product planning and inventory division prepared at Kirai Company for the past 4 years. We notice that on the left vertical axis show the number of products available in the inventory warehouse each year. And we can also notice that on the left horizontal axis show the inventory time for one period, namely 4 years. And the blue bar cut show incoming good and orange show outgoing good. In 2021, 40,000 products will enter the warehouse and 35,000 products will come out the warehouse. In the following year, the incoming product increased by 50,000 products, with the outgoing product increased by 42,000 outgoing products. But in the following year, the warehouse expanded in incoming and outgoing goods. We can see that we only 35,000 incoming goods and 27,000 outgoing products. In the last year, the product experienced a huge increase from the previous year. We can see that in 2024, the number of outgoing goods was 6,000 and the outgoing goods also experienced an increase of 38,000 products. So we can include that during this period the warehouse sector experienced an increase and also experienced a fairly huge increase. And now me effort fully and can be interested. Thank you.
Okay, I would like to thank the Product Planning and Inventory Control Department for presenting the report. Furthermore, I invite the Finance and Administration to submit a period report.
I thank the leader of the company who has given me the opportunity to explain the report from the Finance and Administration section. Now, I will show you a graph of reports on the Finance and Administrator of the Kirai company for this period. We can look at the vertical axis, which shows the total net profit and gross profit of the Kirai company for the last 4 years. And we can also note that on the left side of the horizontal axis, it shows the years for one company period starting from 2021 to 2024. The blue bar chart show the chart from the net profit, and the orange one shows the gross profit. Okay, please pay attention. For 2021, we can see that the company has a net profit of 70 million rupiah and a gross profit of 50 million rupiah. And the good thing is that in the following year, the company experienced an increase again in the amount of net profit, which was 100 million rupiah. And the gross profit decreased by 40 million rupiah. But, but unfortunately, in 2023, the company net profit can be seen to have decreased quite a lot, namely at 80 million rupiah, and gross profit also decreased again, namely 20 million rupiah. But in the last year, there has been a high increase of 140 million rupiah for the company's net profit with a gross profit of 70 million rupiah. That's the report that I can convey. We can conclude that our company experienced an increase and decrease as in the previous section, namely experiencing an increase at the beginning of the period and also experience a decline in the middle of the period. And it is also good for us to experience a pretty good increase at the end of the period. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to the Finance Department and Administration for presenting the report. Okay, then we'll be good into the question and answer session. I will invite each section to ask question and I will also ask some question later to several section. Here, I have a question to the marketing department. Why in 2023 online sales experience have a drastic decline from the previous year, which increase? Is there a big reason that caused this to happen?
Permission to answer. Actual, there is a big reason that caused this to happen. Namely, in the previous year, our country was still the threatened with a pandemic period, which resulted in people buying more needs online but in 2023, the pandemic period ended, which caused people to buy back directly or offline, so that online sales have decreased.
Oh, yes, I understand. Next, I want to ask the finance and administration regarding the science horizontation of the net profit and gross profit. Are you sure that the calculation that you have done are in accord with what happened to the company? Because I need reassurance.
Yes, sir. I am very confident with the data that I have collected and developed as well as with the calculation I have done. So you can be sure of the accurate of the profit calculation that I saw earlier.
Okay, I'm very started with the answer to college gave. I say many thanks to all college who have attention this meeting. Okay, I can quote at the period meeting at the Kirai company that our company experienced some declines in recent years, but even so, our company also experienced some pretty good gains in the previous year. I hope that all of my colleagues can work even harder and also be more acoustic for the sake the company progress. Okay, I will end this meeting. Thank you for your participation. May we always be given health. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.